Good evening, everyone. I am Doppler 10 meteorologist Ross Caruso. First off, I hope your weekend's going well. It's nice to see that the weather's been pretty nice for us to start your Saturday. Seeing a mix of sun and clouds earlier today, but relatively cloudy for us. And again, staying pretty cool out there. Here we are in the 6 o'clock hour. Temperatures hanging out in the low to mid 70s. One of the warmer spots on the map here in Franklin County, Columbus, sitting at 74 in Groveport. How about 69 degrees up towards Powell, though? So we do have some much cooler air present for us today. We do have some heavier cloud coverage to the south and east. That's actually associated with some showers and storms that are gradually lifting into parts of northwestern West Virginia. Fortunately, these will be weakening as they enter back into Ohio. So we are going to be looking at some pretty minimal rain chances for us as we head into tonight. Still some spotty rain potential for your Sunday, but hey, we do have some more cool weather in store for us as well. And speaking of that, temperatures up towards the north, 66 in Mansfield, 69 up in Marion as well. Much warmer to the south and east, though. You've had some warmer air thanks to the fact you've had a few breaks into the clouds, allowing those temperatures to coast up a little bit higher. But all in all, everyone pretty much in the same ballpark as far as what you're dealing with weather-wise. We are going to continue to see these temperatures slowly fall into the low 60s into the overnight. Wouldn't be surprised if we were to see some patchy fog pick up as well. Waking up temperatures into the low 60s, upper 50s, perhaps towards the north and west as we head into your Sunday morning. And then as we head into the afternoon, much like today, even though we didn't see really any rain chances, it's going to be pretty slim. Some stray showers going into the afternoon. Temperature-wise, we'll be back into the mid to upper 70s for us. Mainly late afternoon, we could see a few pop-up showers. Nothing expected to be severe, but keep an eye out for a stray shower or two as we head into your Sunday evening. And then temperatures looking like they're going to be falling back into the low 60s prior to midnight. Speaking of the potential for some fog as we head into your Sunday, right around 4 a.m. to 6 a.m., we will see some patchy fog in spots. It's not looking like anything exceptionally dense, but something you definitely want to keep an eye out for as you head out the door. It'll be mixing out by 8, 9 o'clock for us tomorrow, which tomorrow's forecast, again, looking pretty nice. We'll still be looking at a decent amount of cloud coverage. And fortunately, with the clouds, that's actually going to help to keep us cooler. So nice trade-off for us. And as far as the rain chances, slim pickings for us tomorrow, as I mentioned, but then really ramping up for us on Tuesday. We've been gaining a little bit more information as far as this next cold front that's going to be coming through, and then looking like we might be dealing with a bit of rain late into next weekend. But again, that's pretty far away. We could see a lot change with that. But Tuesday looking like it's going to be pretty much near a lock for us, and I'm very confident we will be dealing with some rain as we head into your Tuesday. But your Monday looking fantastic. We'll see mostly sunny skies through the day. Clouds build late into the day, but watch as we head into Tuesday. We'll have this cold front come through, pulling in perhaps a couple waves of rain starting into the morning for your Tuesday morning commute. Make sure you keep the umbrella handy. I'm sure it's been collecting dust for a lot of us over the past week or so, but we will be dealing with rain not only into the morning, but perhaps again into the afternoon. This will be more so associated with that cold front where we could have a few rumbles of thunder, not expecting any severe weather. And then fortunately, it looks like things will be clearing out as we head into your Tuesday night. So definitely looking like the rain day for us on Tuesday. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something that's still very strong, active into the Atlantic. That is Hurricane Lee. It has weakened over the past day, but still just goes to show how strong this storm was once a Category 5 storm. Now a Cat 3, still classified as a major hurricane, moving west-northwest at 10 miles an hour. The latest track from the National Hurricane Center has this storm regaining strength to that of a Category 4 as it starts the coast a little bit closer over towards the Bahamas. And again, this is going to be gradually taking a pivotal turn from the northwest to due north as we head into Thursday. Still that of a major hurricane, and expecting this storm to kind of inch closer and closer between Bermuda and the United States eastern coastline. Now, the good news is it does not appear still at this stage, even though it's early, this is going to be a significant impact to the United States. But as you can see here, these are a bunch of different weather models. We call them spaghetti models. You can kind of think of it from the lines, but just think of this as several 20 to 40 different weather models with subtle tweaks in them. And when we see them all confined together, that's where we get what we like to call a lot of agreement, a lot of confidence. So there's pretty good agreement that we are going to continue to see this northwest trajectory. And then as we head into Thursday, which again, still several days down the road, in the National Hurricane Forecast we see, they only predict 5 days out, and for good reason, because more uncertainty uncertainty grows as we get further in time. And especially with this type of situation, we are going to be looking at this pivotal term, but we are seeing a few members that are as far out just to where it's right underneath Bermuda and then super far west heading over towards the Bahamas. But you can see the majority of these are pulling up north, and that's going to be perhaps right in between Bermuda and then, of course, the Carolina coast, which not looking like we're going to see much potential or impacts to the southeast United States. We are going to be looking at rip currents, dangerous surf, of course, starting tomorrow along parts of the southeast coastline in the United States. Furthermore, across the eastern seaboard as we head into the latter half of next week. But we are going to continue to see these models pull in most of the track, potentially mainly out of the United States, but still impacting parts of Canada. But a few of these models, again, as far west as Boston and as far east as several hundred miles actually east of the United States. So again, this is another reason to pay close attention, especially into the northeastern part of the United States. Still looking at some pretty dangerous surf conditions, rip currents as well across parts of eastern United States throughout next week. So something we'll keep a close eye on and keep you updated. But back to our weather. We got some great weather in store for your Sunday. As I mentioned, highs are going to be near 80 degrees. Low 80s for your Monday, mostly sunny. We'll then see off and on showers as we head into your Tuesday. Again, a couple waves coming into town in the morning and afternoon. And then, fortunately, it looks like things are going to be drying out and cooling down. 70 degrees for your Wednesday, 70 for Thursday. And how about those morning temperatures? Pretty chilly mornings at the bus stop for the kids, so make sure they have the jackets handy. And then get ready for what will be another cool weekend. But we're also going to be tracking a chance for a few showers next Saturday.